A mature relationship is one yesterday's fight does not affect today's communication. Other people, when they had a fight with their partners, tomorrow they don't talk to their partners, or to spend a week they don't talk to each other. Sometimes we are not matured, because a person who is matured, you have to talk to each other. It's not about when you are fighting with a small thing, you are going to be angry the whole week. Sometimes you have to be matured person. You have to act normal, because when you are in a relationship, you have to communicate. Yes, you have to understand, because people are fighting in relationship, but you have to fix your relationship. Other people are being angry even at bedroom. When you see your partner had a misunderstanding, even at bedroom, that person doesn't want to talk to you, doesn't want even to touch you, or to say baby came at the bed. I don't understand why people we are doing like that, especially women. Women, when we are very angry, when it comes to bedroom, we don't want a man to touch us or to have something. So you have to reduce your anger sometimes, because it is going to destroy your marriage or to destroy your relationship. Because most of the men, when they saw the woman is quiet, being in mood for 1 week, he can find another person outside there to spend time to talk to, because he knows that you are being in mood the whole week.